Yay! I love recess.
Aw, man, I can't believe there's no snow yet.
That's okay. We can still have fun.
I know. I just wanted to have fun sledding and skating and throwing snowballs, you know?
Let me think. I think we can make it snow.
Really? Well, that would be amazing.
Well, it is under 32 degrees, and I can hear the jet stream roaring above us.
But we need water vapor. We've got the cold covered, but how do we get water vapor to come play with us?
I have a brilliant idea.
Red Rover, send water vapor right over. This is the best recess ever!